Hello everyone, so we are going to draw floor of the fourth ventricle. Floor of fourth ventricle. So, as we already know, floor of the fourth ventricle is rhomboid in shape, that is diamond shape. So, diamond shape depression, that is floor of the fourth ventricle. So, superior boundary is found by superior cerebellar peduncle, inferior boundary is found by inferior cerebellar peduncle and supplemented by gracile tubercle and cunate tubercle. Now, this floor of the fourth ventricle, above part it is found by pons and in the lower part it is found by medulla. So these both parts separated by some fibers that is running outside, or we can say laterally. These fibers are called Striae medullares. Striae medullares. Now, in the center we have a sulcus. This is median sulcus. This sulcus is median sulcus. Just either side of the median sulcus we have a swelling. This is facial colliculus. This swelling is facial colliculus and produced by nucleus of facial nerve. Then lateral to the median sulcus, we have another sulcus. This is sulcus limitans. This sulcus is sulcus limitans. Medial to the sulcus limitans, this is motor area. Lateral to the sulcus limitans, here we have sensory area. So, just above the sulcus limitans, we have a bluish color area here. This area is known as locus coeruleus. Locus coeruleus. Locus means area, coeruleus means bluish in appearance. And here we have noradrenaline. And this is responsible for noradrenaline. That is again responsible for alertness and wakefulness. So I am repeating, this is in the center we have median sulcus. These fibers are stria medullaris, a swelling, round swelling. This is facial colliculus. Just lateral to the sulcus, median sulcus, we have sulcus limitans. Above the sulcus limitans, we have bluish color area. It's called locus coeruleus. Then here we have superior fovea, here we have inferior fovea. Now here we have two triangles. One triangle is above and one triangle is below. The superior triangle is hypoglossal triangle and this lower triangle is Vagal triangle. So we have two triangles. Superior one is hypoglossal triangle and lower one is vagal triangle. Hypoglossal, below the hypoglossal triangle we have hypoglossal nucleus and below the vagal triangle we have motor nucleus of vagus nerve. Now this lower area which look like nib of pen, this area is known as calamus scriptorius, which look like nib, calamus scriptorius. Now this pointed part of the calamus scriptorius, this is Obex. This pointed part is Obex. Then near the calamus scriptorius, again we have a very important area. This area known as area postrema. Very important area postrema, and this is here in the area postrema we have vomiting center, or we can say this area is responsible for or inducing vomiting and nausea. So this is all about the floor of fourth ventricle. Again, median sulcus, sulcus limitans, locus coeruleus, facial colliculus, Striae medullaris. This upper part is found by pons, this lower part is found by medulla. Tip of pen, this structure is calamus scriptorius, this pointed part is Obex, and this area is area postrema. Here we have vomiting center. Now if we talk about the clinical part, so in the clinical we have a term that is medulloblastoma. Medulloblastoma, that is tumor in the cerebellum. Tumor in cerebellum, or we can say tumor in the vermis part of cerebellum. So medulloblastoma causes 3 signs and symptoms. One is ataxia, then vomiting, and raised intracranial pressure. So vomiting is because of area postrema, this area which is responsible for vomiting. So this is all about the floor of fourth ventricle. Thank you.